Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special guest, my student who achieved an amazing result and got accepted into university. Hi Javid. Congratulations on getting accepted into university. What do you think were the key factors behind your success?
Thank you. I believe the main reasons were having clear goals and staying organized. Constant effort and managing my time well also played a big role.
What kept you motivated throughout your preparations?
I always focused on my future goals, and that kept me going. Also, the encouragement from my family and teachers was really important.
How did you handle any difficulties or obstacles during your studies?
Whenever I face challenges, I tried to break them down into smaller tasks and tackle them one at a time. I also made sure to take breaks and do activities I enjoy, like sports, to stay balanced.
What advice would you give to students who are preparing for university exams?
I will tell them to stay disciplined and patient. It's important to use good study materials and plan their time carefully. Most importantly, they should keep their motivation high and believe in themselves.
Thank you so much for sharing your experience. I am sure your story will motivate many students. I think you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next Saturday.